friends, today is your creative day, that is your DIY craft day. As I promised you all on this Monday, we plan to have a creative craft day on this Fridays. So today's creative craft is going to be DIY face mask. I'm going to show you two different kinds of masks, but I'm going to give you an idea about only one kind of mask that you can prepare. So now this is one kind of mask that I am going to prepare, and the other kind of eye mask is this one, that is your animal mask. This animal mask is something that you can create on your own, that is something very easy. But now I will show you something more interesting and more funny than this, that is your animal mask. So come on, let's get starting. So before we start making the DIY mask, let me tell you what materials we are going to use. So firstly, we are going to use a semicircle cut paper that is in the size of a protractor. Next, we are going to use a leaf shape cut paper that is cut with the midrib of 8 centimeters. So we are also going to have 6 of these papers. Next, we will have a smaller size of the same leaf cut shape paper. We are going to use 5 of them, and we are going to have the midrib of centimeter 5. Next, we are going to use a even smaller leaf that will be of midrib of 3 centimeters, or you can have your own choice because the leaves depend on the way you are going to make and on the size of the mask. So you will have to have 6 numbers of these papers. Next, we are going to cut a beak shape that is of 2 different colors. You can have the different choice of your own colors. Here I am having a semicircle that is not done by one single paper. You can use 3 different joint papers and cut it into the shape of a semicircle. Later I will show you where we are going to use this in the mask. This is a cloud shaped paper that is in the shape of a cloud, and I've cut this out with an A4 size sheet. With the same A4 size sheet, I've cut these papers that are having slits in between but not cut through completely. You have to have these in 2 numbers, which will add on your effect in the mask. Next, very importantly, when you're making a party eye mask, you should have an opening so that you can see through the mask. So this is that kind of eye cut that I have used, and it should be in black because it is very attractive when you use black with all the combination of colors that you are going to use. Next, to hold the mask, we are going to use a straw. Instead of a thread, we are using a straw because this is a holding straw DIY eye mask. To stick the papers, we are going to use Fevistick. So you can use even Fevicol or any other Fevicol or Fevistick, anything that you get to be available. Next, to join the straw, we are going to use tape. If you have a stronger gum, then you can use the same gum. So now let us start making a DIY eye mask. So we will have the semicircle as our base, and we'll apply glue on its edges. Next, we are going to use the big leaf shaped paper that is having a midrib of 8 centimeters. I am going to attach all the 6 number of these leaf shaped papers to the sides of the semicircle. I am repeating, you can use your own combination of colors, because if you are having a very vibrant party, you can use the neon colors, which is very attractive. And if you are simply making it for your DIY time pass, then surely you can use any other colors which is not too vibrant. Next, we are going to use the medium sized leaf shaped papers, which is having a midrib of around 5 centimeters. Use Fevistick so that it is non-toxic and also it is very easy to stick papers. After you have stuck that steadily, next we are going to have the next layer with the smaller size of these leaf cut papers. This is having a midrib of around 3.5 centimeters. So we are going to use Fevistick again to stick all these papers on our base, that is the protractor shaped paper. You should stick this from the edges and through the gaps. Next, I am going to use this 3 rectangular pieces joined to build a semicircle shape. You have to stick it this way. Next, we are going to have this cloud shaped and also the slitted papers. To the edges of this red semicircle, you can stick our slit papers. But these papers should be stuck in a slant way. Next, I am using the cloud shaped cut paper. So before we stick this, we should also note one more thing, that is we are going to stick the face shaped eye cut mask so that it will get covered on the top. But please remember to leave a gap on top before you stick this. Now I am sticking this white cloud shaped paper on top of the black eye cut mask. After this, you are going to use the beak shape that is cut out from 2 different colors of papers. You should stick that properly on the cutting of the eye cut open mask. And also remember, while sticking the beak, it should also adjoin the white cloud shaped cut paper. And one last thing that is left for you to do is to use the straws for the holder. But remember, try to avoid using plastic because it is not good for the environment. So nowadays we are available with the paper straws which can be used. you can stick these paper straws behind your mask onto your right side. But remember not to cover the opening of your eye. But I'm using a tape to stick this. So here you go. Now your DIY mask is ready. So let me take you through a journey of 3 different masks so that you will have an idea at the end. So this was the mask that we have prepared for today. Next, the same kind of mask is prepared with different colors. That is this one. And for a surprise, we are having a cat mask that is very simple, very easy DIY craft that can be done in just few minutes. So hope you all enjoyed this craft week and craft day. So hoping to meet you soon on Monday with your EVS class and on Friday again for your creative craft. Thank you. Bye bye. So let me take you through a journey of 3 different masks so that you will have an idea at the end. So this was the mask that we have prepared for today. Next, the same kind of mask is prepared with different colors. That is this one. And for a surprise, we are having a cat mask that is very simple, very easy DIY craft that can be done in just few minutes. So hope you all enjoyed this craft week and craft day. This is how we have made the very easy DIY party mask. Hope you all enjoyed it. Meet you on the same channel next week on Monday and Friday. Thank you.